Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Smart English Hub. Hope you all are fine. Thank you so much for subscribing to my YouTube channel and also for watching this video. Good morning everyone. First of all, I would like to wish you all a very happy Gandhiji and Shastriji Jayanti. Gandhiji strongly believed in the practice of non-violence. For him, a peaceful resolution of problems and conflict was the greatest of achievements. One might gain power and control by violence and threat, but respect can only be achieved by harmony and non-violence. People honor Gandhiji's contributions towards the Indian independence movement and his non-violent way of life. He led the Dandi Salt March in 1930. In 1942, he launched the Quit India movement. He was also instrumental in abolishing the age-old practice of untouchability. On June 15, 2007, the UN General Assembly adopted a resolution that declared October 2nd as International Day of Nonviolence. The resolution reaffirms the universal relevance of the principle of nonviolence and the desire to secure a culture of peace, tolerance, understanding, and nonviolence. We all know how dedicated and devoted Mahatma Gandhiji was when he took up the challenge to drive away the British government from India. It was only possible with the determination and perseverance he had in himself. It is easy to set an aim, but to achieve it, one must believe in oneself and be determined to struggle up until the end. Lal Bahadur Shastri Ji was 16 when Gandhiji called upon his countrymen to join the non-cooperation movement. He decided at once to give up his studies in response to the Mahatma's call. The decision shattered his mother's hopes. But Shastri Ji had made up his mind. All those who were close to him knew that he would never change his mind once it was made up, for behind his soft exterior was the firmness of a rock. He joined the Kashi Vidyapeeth in Varanasi, one of the many national institutions set up in the defiance of the British rule. There, he came under the influence of the greatest intellectuals and nationalists of the country. Shastri Ji was awarded with bachelor's degree by the Vidyapeeth, but has stuck in the minds of the people as part of his name. He came to be known as a man of great integrity and competence, humble, tolerant, with great inner strength and resoluteness. He was a man of the people who understood their language. He was also a man of vision who led the country towards progress. He was deeply influenced by the political teachings of Mahatma Gandhi. Hard work is equal to prayer, he once said. In the direct tradition of Mahatma Gandhi, Lal Bahadur Shastri represented the best in Indian culture. There is so much one can learn from Gandhiji and Shastriji's life, like believe in yourself, respect everyone, integrity, simple living and high thinking, patience and peace. Honesty is always the best policy. I would like to conclude with a small poem on Gandhiji and Shastriji in Hindi. एक थे लाल और एक थे बापू, दोनों में था अलग सा जादू. एक थे लाल और एक थे बापू, दोनों में था अलग सा जादू. दोनों की थी एक ही बोली, थी उनके पीछे हम सबकी टोली. दोनों की थी एक ही बोली, थी उनके पीछे हम सबकी टोली. फिर खुद पे रहा ना किसी का काबू. एक थे लाल और एक थे बापू, एक थे लाल और एक थे बापू. दोनों में था अलग सा जादू, दोनों में था अलग सा जादू. लाल जी बोले जय जवान और जय किसान, बापू बोले रघुपति राघव राजा राम. लाल जी बोले जय जवान और जय किसान, बापू बोले रघुपति राघव राजा राम। नारों से उनके देश था हर्षू, एक थे लाल और एक थे बापू, दोनों में था अलग सा जादू। देश का सुख था उनका सपना, कर दिया जीवन न्योछावर अपना। देश का सुख था उनका सपना, कर दिया जीवन न्योछावर अपना। दोनों को याद करे ना अब क्यों, एक थे लाल और एक थे बापू, दोनों में था अलग सा जादू। एक थे लाल और एक थे बापू, दोनों में था अलग सा जादू। आओ मिलकर दीप जलाएं, जन्म दिवस दोनों का मनाएं। आओ मिलकर दीप जलाएं, जन्म दिवस दोनों का मनाएं। Friends, thank you so much for watching my video. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment on my YouTube channel, which is Smart English Hub. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.